Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the monitor's native resolution and using a proper cable. This prevents automatic letterboxing. Once connected, open your operating system display settings and pick the monitor's exact native resolution. Set scaling to 100% so pixels map correctly. Make sure the monitor's on-screen menu reads the same resolution and aspect ratio. After this first action, test a windowed app full screen to see if edges align. If they don't, proceed to the scaling controls in the graphics driver. Once done with OS settings, you open your graphics control panel to force full screen scaling at the display level. For NVIDIA, go to Display, adjust desktop size and position, and select full screen. For AMD, use scaling mode full panel. For Intel, use display scaling to full screen. Apply the change and test a full screen app or video. If an app tries to control scaling, make sure you disable application-controlled scaling so the GPU enforces full-screen behavior consistently across programs. You finish by verifying the change. Launch your application, toggle full screen, and confirm the image fills the panel edge to edge. If you see black bars, enable GPU-level scaling and set the monitor aspect ratio to match the source. This forces stretching to full size. Make sure drivers are up to date so scaling options are available. If problems persist, restart the display driver or reconnect the cable. These steps usually resolve mismatches between OS, GPU, and monitor settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.